This is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out, spoke with Yameli today, promised this free video, so here it is. I'm going to keep things really short and sweet. Just want to show you 3 tips that you could do to maximize your traffic online and really build up that customer base. So all I ask in return is that you send me some feedback, whether that be via email, text, phone call, anything would suffice. I just would love to get your thoughts. So my first tip is to add content to your site. So content is anything that you can highlight, whether that be pictures, text, and you do have some stuff here. Your site is put together pretty well. It looks great. The thing with content though, and there's 2 things. And the first is that you could be found for specific keywords. So say I wanted to be found for electrical contractor El Paso. I would have that in my text. I probably would have it as a heading, or I might have it in my text, or I might even save an image as that particular keyword. So there's a lot of things I could do there. You are being found for 366 keywords, so you're doing a good job as it is. So that's not really a big factor here. The biggest reason why you need content on your site is it's a ranking factor. So if you look at sites like Wikipedia, one of the reasons why Wikipedia does so well is because there's just so much content there. They have so much text, so many pictures. It's really almost impossible to beat them out. So adding content is really important, and it'll help you beat out other sites. So that would be my first tip. My second tip would really be to grow this Google My Business. So you have a pretty low star rating. Typically, you want to be anywhere from 4.7 to 5.0, but you only have 11 reviews. So really, you want to add to those reviews. You want this information on as many websites as possible. So directories, Better Business Bureau, Yelp, stuff like that. You want photos that are saved as keywords. So if I want to be found for electrical contractors El Paso, I would save a picture as that particular keyword and I would upload it. And that's, how Google knows kind of what your Google My Business deals with. And um, the reason why Google My Business is so important is you want to be in this top 3 in this map pack, and you want to pull traffic from the organic listings. All these companies that are sitting here that have built up their site, and eventually you want to be that company as well. But in the meantime, getting your Google My Business up and running and ranked definitely helps in bringing in traffic to your site. So that would be my second tip, is to optimize that Google My Business. My third tip would just be to build up the strength of your site. So I'm going to focus on these 4 boxes right here. I talked about the fact that you're ranking for 366 keywords. You're in the top 100 and 366 keywords. This is the strength of your site. It's on a 0 to 100 scale, 0 being the weakest, 100 being the strongest. So this 29 is pretty good, solid. The 6 is a little low though. And typically you'd want to be a little bit higher in both those areas. Your referring domains, you have 56 websites or domains that are sending 521 links back to your site. So looking at your competitor, you know, Texas MEP, their site's not as strong as yours, but they are ranking higher than you in that particular keyword. And sometimes you'll have this where you won't rank as high as others in specific keywords. You have to really target those keywords and go after them. But they are ranking in, they do have 209 keywords that they're ranking for, and they do have 42 domains sending them 277 links. So, and there's a lot of factors, like I said, that go into that. Maybe they have more content than you, maybe they've been around longer than you, but the way to beat that and the way to overcome that is just to beat them in every facet. Have more backlinks than they do. Have more content. Just destroy them, and then Google has no choice but to rank them with you. So there's really a lot you can do here. Your site looks beautiful. It's set up great. Just a couple of minor things that will help you kind of take that next step. So and building up your site, getting that DR up is really important, because you want this to be a 1-to-1 if you can. You want this to be higher. Building up your Google My Business and starting to get traffic that way, and then adding content to your site. So I hope this has been helpful. If you need somebody that can help you get put that next step and really push the amount of traffic you could get, we'd love to do that for you. But with that, I'll let you go. Have a great day, and God bless. Bye.